Hello all, I'm Sakshi and you're on my channel Decor and Blush. Today I will be painting a normal size clay pot and decorating my home with it. Use plastic sheet or newspaper to avoid any paint on floor. I have rinsed the pot with water and also used sandpaper to smooth out rough surface on it. Now I will apply primer on it. I am using water-based wall primer because colors which I will be using are also water-based wall colors. Applying primer will provide a stable surface so that no paint gets soaked up into this pot. I am done with primer. Also apply primer at 1 to 2 inch depth inside the pot. Now start sketching curves by moving your pencil up and down like drawing mountains over it. Similarly, sketch 2 more curves above it. Start painting by using these kind of brushes, and I am using purple wall color for it. I have done with one portion. Now I will mix some light color into it and paint next section. For the next section, add some more light color. I will paint inner portion with the same color. Now paint light color directly without mixing into the bottom section. You can let bottom area be white in color. I will paint brown color, which will give a good highlight to this light color. This clay pot is completely painted. Hope you like this video. Share this video and subscribe my channel Decor and Blush if you want me to make more such videos for you.